Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need two things right now: a recovery app and minimal phone activity. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so tools can access files. Make sure your device has enough free storage and connect to a PC if the app recommends it. Install Google Photos for cloud checks, then install a specialized photo recovery tool like Disk Digger or Dig Deep. Once done, grant the app permissions. This lets it scan internal memory or SD card and increases chances of finding deleted images. Run the app's deep scan and select the correct storage area. Internal memory often needs root-level access while SD cards are straightforward. Use file type filters, JPEG, PNG, HEIC, to narrow results and sort by date or file size to prioritize likely photos. Preview thumbnails as you go. This is how you avoid restoring hundreds of unwanted files. Make sure to save recovered files to a different storage location, like cloud or PC, so you don't overwrite remaining recoverable sectors on the phone. After selecting photos, export them immediately to a separate destination, cloud drive or PC drive, never back to the original partition. Once transferred, clear the gallery app cache or reboot the phone so Android reindexes media and shows restored files. Confirm file integrity by opening several images. If photos remain missing or corrupted, consider advanced options, temporary route for deeper access, or professional recovery services. If things go wrong, stop using the device and avoid further writes to Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.